G'day guys, Craig here from White Magic, here to introduce to you the brand new Eco Basics Laundry Cleaning Sheets 60-piece pack. So inside this pack you get 60 powerful cleaning sheets, one sheet for one wash. They work in both top loading and front loading washing machines, hot or cold wash. They're made from plant-based ingredients that are septic and marine safe because they have no bleach, no phosphate or no artificial brighteners in their construction. They're powered with something called liquid enzymes. Liquid enzymes are a new way of breaking down dirt and stains in your clothing, so they work just as well as the competition. Plus they have camellia oil and soap bark in them, which is great for people with sensitive skin. They're packaged in this cardboard compostable packaging, which makes it really easy to store in the laundry, so it's always within easy reach. They come pre-measured, so you don't have to think about how many you need to use. Plus, they're lightweight and easy to pack for travel, so you can take a few on the go when you're on a business trip or on a holiday, so you've always got something within easy reach to wash your clothes. Okay guys, if you've got any questions, please let us know at White Magic HQ. Otherwise, thanks for watching.